on, my YouTube fam, as well as my pre-healthcare professionals alike. I hope that y'all are having a wonderful day. Today we're going to continue our review of the science portion of the ATI TEAS and discuss the lymphatic system. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, and better yet, hit that bell notification. It lets you know when I post new content here on YouTube. And give this video a big thumbs up, that way other people that are looking for the ATI TEAS review videos know that this is a good video to help you pass it like a boss. Let's get started. The lymphatic system has three main functions. Return excess fluid back into the blood, which helps maintain the fluid balance. Absorbs fat from the digestive tract and deposits them in the bloodstream, and defends the body against pathogens. The lymph nodes are small glands found mainly in the thorax and the abdomen. These glands help prevent disease by filtering out bacteria in the lymph, a watery fluid formed from interstitial or tissue fluid. Lastly, other organs are vital to the lymphatic system. These are the spleen, tonsils, and thymus. The spleen filters bacteria in the blood. Tonsils, located at the base of the tongue, functions as a filter of interstitial fluid. And the thymus gland is pertinent in immune responses. I hope that this video has helped for you to pass your ATI TEAS like a boss the first time. If you haven't done so already, I want to invite you over to my website at www.nursecheung.com. There's additional resources for you to help you pass this exam. We've got practice questions as well as PDFs of the PowerPoints that I show in these videos. If you haven't done so, make sure that you follow me on my social media. I am on Facebook and Instagram. And until next time, I hope that y'all are having a wonderful day, and I will see you all again soon. Bye!